Welcome to our Patriotic Crafts DIY channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to create beautiful, festive decorations that celebrate your love for your country. Whether you're preparing for Independence Day, Memorial Day, or any other patriotic event, we've got a variety of fun and easy crafts that will add a special touch to your celebrations. From flag-inspired wreaths and star-spangled banners to red, white, and blue centerpieces, we have something for everyone. So, grab your crafting supplies, and let's get started on these creative projects that will bring a patriotic flair to your home. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more DIY inspiration. Let's get crafting. Introducing our Patriotic Candy Watercolor Craft Design. This unique art kit is perfect for adding a touch of festive flair to your patriotic celebrations. The kit includes everything you need to create beautiful, candy-themed watercolor paintings in vibrant red, white, and blue colors. Ideal for holidays like Independence Day or Memorial Day, this craft is both fun and easy to complete. Each kit comes with watercolor paper, high-quality paints, brushes, a pencil, a fine-tip black marker, and step-by-step instructions. Perfect for crafters of all ages, this project will help you create stunning artwork that showcases your national pride. Bring a burst of creativity and color to your festivities with our Patriotic Candy Watercolor Craft Design. Introducing our Patriotic Candy Watercolor Craft Design Kit. This delightful art set is perfect for celebrating national holidays with a creative twist. The kit features high-quality watercolor supplies, including premium watercolor paper, vibrant red, white, and blue paints, brushes, a pencil, and a fine-tip black marker. With easy-to-follow instructions, you'll learn to create charming candy-themed watercolor paintings that are perfect for decorating your home or gifting. Whether for Independence Day, Memorial Day, or any patriotic event, this craft kit provides a fun and engaging activity for all ages. Unleash your creativity and show your patriotic spirit with our Patriotic Candy Watercolor Craft Design Kit. Introducing our Patriotic Gnome Craft Design Kit. Celebrate national holidays with these adorable, festive gnomes that you can create yourself. This craft kit includes everything you need: high-quality felt, fabric, stuffing, a needle and thread, embellishments in red, white, and blue, and detailed step-by-step instructions. Perfect for crafters of all skill levels, this kit makes it easy to design charming gnomes that add a touch of patriotic cheer to your home decor. Ideal for Independence Day, Memorial Day, or any patriotic event, our Patriotic Gnome Craft Design Kit is a fun and creative way to show your national pride. Get crafting and bring these cute little gnomes to life. Introducing our Patriotic Gnome Craft Design Kit. Get ready to add a sprinkle of patriotic charm to your home decor with this delightful craft kit. Inside, you'll find all the materials and instructions you need to create your very own patriotic-themed gnomes. From the high-quality felt and fabric to the adorable embellishments in red, white, and blue, everything is included to bring these whimsical characters to life. Whether you're celebrating Independence Day, Memorial Day, or simply want to showcase your love for your country, our Patriotic Gnome Craft Design Kit is the perfect way to get creative and spread some festive cheer. Get ready to craft your way to a more patriotic home. Introducing our Patriotic Gnome Craft Design Kit. Elevate your patriotic celebrations with these charming gnomes, specially designed to add a touch of whimsy and flair to your home decor. Inside this kit, you'll discover all the essential materials and easy-to-follow instructions needed to craft your own adorable gnomes adorned in red, white, and blue. Whether you're hosting a festive gathering, decorating for Independence Day, or simply looking for a fun crafting project, our Patriotic Gnome Craft Design Kit is the perfect choice. Bring a smile to your face and a patriotic spirit to your home with these lovable little gnomes. Introducing our Patriotic Gnome Craft Design Kit. Dive into the world of DIY with this adorable kit that allows you to create your own patriotic gnomes. Packed with high-quality materials and easy-to-follow instructions, you'll have everything you need to bring these charming characters to life. Whether displayed as part of your holiday decor or given as a heartfelt gift, these gnomes are sure to spread joy and patriotic spirit wherever they go. Get ready to unleash your creativity and craft your way to a more festive home. Unleash your creativity with our Patriotic Gnome Craft Design Kit. This fun and festive kit contains all the supplies you need to make your very own patriotic gnomes. From the soft felt to the colorful embellishments, every detail is included to ensure your gnomes are bursting with patriotic charm. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or trying your hand at DIY for the first time, our easy-to-follow instructions will guide you through the process. Add a touch of whimsy to your holiday decor with these adorable gnomes. Add a dash of patriotism to your crafting repertoire with our Patriotic Gnome Craft Design Kit. Designed for crafters of all skill levels, this kit provides everything you need to create your own collection of charming patriotic gnomes. With step-by-step instructions and high-quality materials, crafting these adorable gnomes is both fun and rewarding. Whether displayed on your mantle, used as table centerpieces, or given as thoughtful gifts, these gnomes are sure to be a hit at any patriotic celebration. Get ready to spread some joy and show your love for your country with our Patriotic Gnome Craft Design Kit. Introducing our Patriotic Cupcake Craft Design Kit. Elevate your patriotic celebrations with these delightful cupcake decorations, specially designed to add a sweet and festive touch to your parties. This kit includes everything you need to create adorable patriotic-themed cupcake toppers, from high-quality paper to colorful embellishments in red, white, and blue. Whether you're hosting a 4th of July barbecue, Memorial Day picnic, or any patriotic event, our Patriotic Cupcake Craft Design Kit is sure to be a hit with guests of all ages. Get ready to bake, decorate, and celebrate in style with these charming cupcake decorations. Thanks for joining us on our patriotic crafting journey. We hope you enjoyed getting creative and adding a touch of national pride to your home decor. Don't forget to share photos of your finished projects with us on social media using the hashtag. If you loved this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring DIY ideas. And remember, the spirit of patriotism is something we can celebrate every day, so keep crafting and spreading those red, white, and blue vibes. Until next time, happy crafting and long live the land of the free.